Queria 2 fatias de salmão, se faz favor. Sim. Obrigado. Obrigado. Alright, just gotta find a spot to set up. Let's see. It feels so nice to walk around in your place, and it feels like you're in the, in the woods somewhere. Wow, it's pretty awesome. Alright, let's check the fire. Those wild boars. Damn. Okay, great. So camera didn't work. I didn't get the shot of the salmon cut, but little update. Added the salmon, added some fennel and some pepper, and we're gonna let it cook slowly. Up, need to add some wood. Et voilà, healthy meal done. All right, I'll clear out the rest later. It's time to bring this to my wife and see if she likes it. If you made it this far, thank you so much, and I hope to be back soon with another video for you guys. Cheers!